In Senegal, Tamkharite is the celebration of the new Muslim year. It is also one of the main traditional festivals of the country. Here is a short description of the event. Some days before the festival, kids make drums with animal skin or thick paper, while others buy them already made. On the D-Day, people cook the Senegalese couscous made with millet, and the meal is served earlier than usual because people believe it is the last opportunity of the year to get repleted. After dinner, adults take their rosaries and perform their yearly prayers while children go to Tajabone. The oral tradition says Tajabone was performed only by students from Quranic schools. But at the long run, all the other children joined the festival. From then, during Tajabone, young girls wear their granddad's clothes while young boys wear their grandmother's. And they get together singing Tajabone songs and playing drums. Going from house to house, adults would give them sweeties, biscuits, and money, and even millet or rice. The Tajabone festival lasts all night long. The next morning, the head of the family leads a yearly collective prayer with all the family. After that, everybody says a prayer on the dish used for last night's dinner and drop it on a pile of sand in order to see it come true. Then everybody puts a holy eye makeup with the hope to see Fatima, daughter of the Prophet, peace be upon him, who is believed to appear in the sky on that special day. Eventually, all the kids get together and make a snack with their festival presents.